Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're taking a quick look at and installing the smoked taillight covers with the center section available for your 08 to 14 Challenger. Now very quickly guys, you should be checking these out. It's pretty straightforward if you're looking for a nice stealthy look at the rear end without picking up a whole new set of smoked taillights and without using some cheap vinyl or tint. Now this is something that's going to be a really high quality composite acrylic material. It's about 1/8 of an inch thick. It's impact resistant, it's UV resistant, so it's not going to fade in the light, and it just gives you a dark smoked tint over top of your factory taillights at the rear. Now the nice thing about this is it lets all of that factory light through, so at nighttime when you turn your lights on, it's not like you're not going to be able to see the light at the rear end. It still keeps the safety and security at your rear at nighttime, and that's always something that goes a long way when it comes to smoking out or tinting your taillights. Now anytime you use a vinyl or an actual tint or a film that goes over your taillights, you risk it peeling off or bubbling or really not looking that good over time. When it comes to a physical piece of material like this, it's easy to clean, it's not going to fade, and it's not going to peel off over time. This is going to use 3M automotive bonding strips to adhere, but on the other side of that is a nice, easy to detach, somewhat Velcro material that allows you to pop them off, clean the backside, clean the front side, and clean the lens on your taillights too, so they are removable. Now the only downside, in my personal opinion, is when you have the lights on at night, especially when you're hitting your brake and it's fully illuminated, you can somewhat see the 3M tape strips as they're placed along the inside there. So the light shines through, of course, it's not going to shine all the way through that 3M, so it is something that you can kind of see at night. Just worth mentioning. Might not be a make it or break it for some other guys out there, but definitely worth mentioning here. Super affordable alternative to some of the other options out there, like swapping out complete taillight housings for a smoked option. This guy's going to come in under 150 bucks. You can pick it up with all three pieces, so you get the piece for the driver and passenger side, as well as that center section, which is going to cover up your factory Dodge logo on the factory taillight center section. So if you're looking for an emblem delete kind of styling, that's going to cover that up here and give you a nice sleek, smooth styling at the rear. Now the install for this, of course, gets 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, obviously because it's just a peel and stick. One thing I will recommend, really the only tool that you need on hand, is an alcohol wipe. Have an alcohol wipe on deck to clean off the 3M tape area where you're applying it to on the taillight lens itself. You want to get all that dirt and dust out of the way so the 3M gets a really good bond with the taillight. Now you could take that a step further and use adhesion promoter. Not really necessary as long as you're cleaning off the area properly. If you don't have an alcohol wipe, a soap and water mixture along with a clean microfiber goes a long way. You don't want to use things like Windex. Those chemicals leave a chemical residue behind which can impede the bond between the 3M tape and the taillight. Soap and water or alcohol is going to be your friend here. Cleaning it off is the most important part. At the end of the day, it'll take you maybe 15 minutes from start to finish. It's super simple. And again, you can remove them when it comes time for routine maintenance, just cleaning them off underneath and on top of it. Now I'm going to show you every step of that process. What do you say we get started? All right, the install for this is going to be incredibly simple. I'm going to use an alcohol wipe, which I definitely recommend picking up here to clean off the area where the 3M tape is going to apply. Even though your lens here might look clean, there's still dirt and dust, which may prohibit a good bond for the 3M tape. So you just want to grab an alcohol wipe. You're basically just going to rub off the middle section where that 3M is going to apply. Once you have that taken care of, you can peel off the red backing on all three. I've already done that. Peel off that red backing, and you're going to stick it on. Now what I like to do to help line this up is to take this bottom corner, set that on first, and you're basically going to wrap it around until it's stuck on there. That'll give you a nice clean fitment. All right, perfect fit. Put pressure on all the 3M tape points, and we're going to repeat that for the rest of them. So now you're doing the same thing for the middle light. Wipe off that center piece, and it doesn't touch the Dodge logo here, so I'm just going to skip right over that and clean off this section. Now this can be a little bit trickier, but really it's pretty simple. We're just going to line it up to the bottom. You might want to put your hands on both sides just to make sure you're lined up properly. Make sure it's on the edge. Same thing on this side. Put a little pressure on it and it sticks in place. Do the same thing for the back corner. All right, once you have that stuck on, make sure you have firm, even pressure on all of the 3M tape points. It is a little transparent, so you should be able to see those points where you can push on them. And there you have it. That's going to wrap up my review and install for the smoked taillight covers with the center section, available for the 08 to 14 Challenger. You can get your set right here at AmericanMuscle.com.